Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we are checking out the Apple Watch SE. This is the second generation Apple Watch SE, and I have the 40mm GPS plus cellular version. I got the silver color, which looks really nice, and yeah, as you can see we have the very clean box from Apple. And right about now you are going to see me struggle while opening the seals that Flipkart had put on. So I got this watch for a really good price for about 26,000 rupees, and that is a very good price for the second generation Apple Watch SE, which is also the cellular version. So yeah, I got it for that price, which is kind of a steal. And yeah, as you can see now that I have removed the seals, so right about now I'm gonna open the box. And yeah, if you want to get the Apple Watch SE, you can get it during the sales. As I can see that it goes on for a really good price. And yeah, I managed to open the outer covering, and it is pretty good as always with all the Apple Watch colors inside. So now we get two other boxes, and we are gonna first check out the bottom box, which I think contains the Apple Watch bands. So yeah, I'm gonna open the seals. So this also comes with those pull tabs. So yeah, let's just open them. Alright, now so I have managed to remove the seal. So let's open the box and check out what we get inside this one. My camera is unable to focus, so yeah, it's struggling a bit. Okay, so we have managed to take out everything from the box. We have a few paperwork, and then we have a pamphlet sort of thing, which I think contains the watch bands. So there are a few instructions on the box on how to clip on the watch bands, and surprisingly we have two sizes of the watch bands inside. Apple, good job. Wasn't expecting this from you. So yeah, we have the 41mm version, and I believe the 39mm version of the watch band for different wrist sizes. So that's a good thing, and the watch band is obviously in white because I have the silver variant. And now we are going to check out the other box, which I think contains the Apple Watch along with the charger. So this also has the pull tabs, so let's just pull them to open the box. Alright, so I managed to remove both the pull tabs, and there is some extra information on the back. And yeah, let's just take it out. Alright, as expected, the Apple Watch is on the right side, and it is wrapped up in a paper thing. We're gonna check it out later on. First, let's check out the charger. And we also have a few paperwork here too. I don't know why you need so much paperwork. I thought Apple was being environment friendly or something, but never mind. All of these are instructions for your Apple Watch. Getting rid of that, beneath we have the Apple Watch charger, which comes with a USB type C end, and you have to purchase the adapter separately, or you can just use your iPhone's adapter. So we're not gonna remove that right now. We are just going to unwrap the Apple Watch from its packaging, and I've managed to tear that up. Never mind, let's just pretend that never happened. And yeah, the cover is off, and we have the glorious Apple Watch SE in our hands. As you can see, the back has a white plastic thing, and the sides are aluminium silver in color. We have the crown with the red lining and the button on the right side, and there are some speakers on the left side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Apple Watch SE. Now let's just take out the watch band. I think I'm gonna go with the longer one because of my thick ass wrists, and let's try to attach it to the Apple Watch. I'm doing this for the first time, so it will take me some time. to get the hang of it, but bear with me. Apologies for all the traffic noises. It's quite tough, I guess, to like attach the Apple Watch bands for the first time. I hope I am doing it right. I did read the instructions. Try to attach them. Alrighty. Hopefully this time I'll be able to do it in one go. So let's give it a hard push. Okay, I think we are slowly getting in, and yeah, bam, that's done. One side is done. Now time for the other side. Okay, the other side was very easy to put in. That's cool. So this is how it looks with the bands, and it has already started somehow. I think with the attaching the watch bands just starts it. So I don't know how it happens, but yeah, it has already started, and it looks really nice with the silver watch and the white bands, and the back is also white, as you can see, with the sensors being in their black glass part, and it looks really nice. You have the name of the watch and the size on the back, and now it's time to set up the Apple Watch with my iPhone. So I am using the second generation iPhone SE. I know, it's pretty funny. So in order to pair it, just bring your iPhone close to the Apple Watch and you'll get this kind of pop-up. Then just press continue, and it will use the Apple Watch app to like set up your watch. You just need to scan this weird QR thing, and bam, your Apple Watch is paired. So I'm gonna completely set up the Apple Watch. You guys won't be able to see all that because it's a long process, but yeah, thanks so much for staying in and watching till the end. If you end up liking the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and definitely subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to stay notified about my new uploads. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular video. I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.